In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Synthesia account. By the end, you'll have your account set up and be ready to start creating videos with AI avatars. I'll walk you through each screen so you know exactly what to expect, with a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening your preferred web browser and typing Synthesia into the search bar. In the results, look for the official website listed under the synthesia.io domain. It should have a secure lock icon in the address bar. Avoid sponsored links that look similar but aren't the official site. Once you're on the home page, find the Get Started button. It's usually at the top right or near the center of the page. Click it to move into the sign-up flow. If you see a Try for Free option, that will take you to the trial setup directly. Next, you'll land on the Plans page. Take a moment to review what's included in each plan so you choose what fits your needs. If you're just evaluating, select the plan with a free trial or click Try for Free if it's available. Double-check any notes about trial length and what happens when the trial ends so there are no surprises. When prompted to sign up, you can use a work email or continue with a social or single sign-on option. Using your work email is great if you plan to use business features or collaborate with a team. Enter your email carefully to avoid typos, then follow the on-screen prompts. If you prefer, choose a social sign-in with your Google account or use SAML SSO if your organization supports it. This can simplify access and keep everything under your company's authentication system. Just make sure you're using the account your team expects. You'll then be asked for payment details, even for a trial in some regions. Enter your information on the secure checkout form and click Start Free Trial. Review the pricing, billing date, and any renewal terms before confirming. You can usually cancel before the trial ends if you decide not to continue. Right after that, you may see a short questionnaire. It typically asks about your department and the types of videos you plan to create, like training, marketing, or internal updates. Answering helps personalize your workspace and templates, and you can update these preferences later. That's it. You're ready to get started. You should now be in your dashboard, where you can create a new project, explore templates, and familiarize yourself with the editor. Take a quick look around, and you'll be creating your first video in no time.